Okay, next we have to know what is project, what is product. What is project, what is product, any idea?
Like a project is particular depend on segment or particularly assigned for particular work or particular dedicated assignment, and product is depend like like we have different kind of project in single product.
No,
So
yes, simple one thing. Which is developed for specific client requirement is called project.
once again,
Which is developed for specific customer requirement is called project.
okay,
Which is developed for entire market requirement is called product.
okay,
Once again, which is developer for specific client requirement is called project. One software developer for the specific customer requirements is called project. It's called project. And one software developer for entire market requirement is called product. Example, I am going to one stitching shop. I need to stitch my shirt with my measurements. So it's called project, right?
right,
And we are using like I am going to one Reebok showroom. I need to purchase the branded jeans, branded t-shirts. It's everything comes into
product,
and the second one. Why? Because it's developed for entire market requirements, right?
right.
Now two applications. One is www.bigclassesstudents.com. Second one, Google application. From the two applications, which one is a project, which one is a product?
No, like big class is project and Google is product.
Yes, good. Understand this one?
Yes.
See, then one more example. AK-47 is it project and product?
AK-47.
Yeah.
It's product.
Oh yeah, you have the license to use AK-47? No, it's a project. Actually, it's developed for army people, right?
Right.
Yeah, but nowadays it's becoming a product, but don't call product. We don't have permission.
Actually, this is very known name and everybody know the AK-47 and some of our Indian like use without license. So
Yes. Yeah, you know India, Tirupati?
yes.
Just a minute. Then we can use an example. See, you know the specific something based on one customer requirement, prepare one sweet. It's called project. Tirupati Laddu, it's called product, right?
Tirupati Laddu, yes.
It's called product. It's developed for every customer requirement, correct or not?
Right.
But what is product means don't call Tirupati Laddu. Just I am giving example here, okay?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Next. See, our applications are actually two types of applications. One is web, second one is window.
Okay.
Web and window. What is web application? What is Windows application?
Like which one is internet based? That
Exactly.
maybe
Which one is internet based web? Which one without internet based window?
window.
See, Excel one software without internet working, right?
Right.
Operating system software without internet working.
Right.
Mobile also software without internet working. Those are comes into Windows based application.
Right.
And which is working with internet is called web applications. Any application, either web application or Windows application, the software we can test two ways. What is two ways? One is manual testing. Manual testing.
And auto.
Second one is automation testing. See, any application we can test two ways. One is manual testing, second one is automation testing. What is manual testing? What is automation testing? Manual testing means, I will explain.
Okay.
See, first let us do manual example. You are in you want to go to office by walk. It's called manual, right? You want to go to office by using bike car. It's called automation. Correct or not?
Right, correct.
Yeah, same like that. Conducting testing on the application without any help of tools. It's called manual testing.
Okay.
Next, conducting testing on the application with the help of tools and softwares. It's called automation testing.
Okay.
Once again, without any help of tools by human resources, conducting testing on the application is called manual testing. With the help of tools and software, conducting testing on the application is called automation testing.
Okay.
Okay. Now, which kind of projects we have to use manual and which kind of projects we have to use automation?
No idea.
Are you taking any tea or coffee?
Yes.
How many times mostly per day?
Mm-hmm.
Per day, how many times you are taking daily?
Twice or thrice.
Twice. Mostly people, if it's a twice or once, mostly preferring manually. Correct or not?
Correct.
Yeah, like if they want to take 100 and 200, then preferring machine.
Machine.
Why? Because 1 or 2 tea or coffee, why machine? Cost, very expensive, it's very, so waste of cost. Yeah, if it is a 200, 300 numbers, then time taking process, we have to use the tool, right?
Right.
Same like that. If it is a small size application, small size requirement, manually we can test the application. If it is a big size requirement, then we have to use automation tools.
Right.
Okay, like automation testing. See, to our earlier example, bigclassestudents.com Google application. Now, which one we need to conduct manual testing? Which one we need to conduct automation testing?
Like for big class, we go for manual, and for Google, we will go for automation because Google is big sector. Maybe we have more work, so that's why we need tools.
Yes, yes. Got it, this one?
Yes.
Yeah. Then, but first we should learn the manual testing, then we can go for automation. Somebody confused. Without manual, I want to learn automation. It's not possible. First we should learn the manual testing, then we can go for automation testing. Okay.
Okay.
Then what about automation tools in market now, area?
No idea.
I'll explain. QTP or UFT. Selenium, load runner. See, QTB, UFT and Selenium load runner. Now market the 3 tools, leading tools. From out of 3 tools, let us know first load runner. What is the use of load runner? See, load runner. Take one share auto with 10 numbers load, auto speed very slow. With 5 numbers load, auto speed good. With 1 number load, auto speed very good. Correct or not?
Okay.
Take one application, 1000 numbers login at a time, auto speed like application speed very slow. 100 users login, application speed very good. Like to check the speed of the application, to check the performance of the application, we can use load runner.
Okay.
Example, you know IRCTC website?
It's like online ticket booking.
Yeah, online railway reservation booking, right?
Right.
Like morning actual 10 o'clock tickets booking. At the time it's working very slow. Why? Because the lakhs people log in at a time, right?
Right.
And evening time open, it's working very good when compared with morning. Why? Because 1000 people log in.
Yes.
Means based on the load, performance will be there. Is it correct or not?
Correct.
So to check the performance of the application, we can use load runner. Only performance. Correctness we not able to check. Correctness means valid inputs accepting or not, and valid output is coming or not. We're not able to check anything, the fast working or not. To check the load of the application, we can use load runner.
Okay.
And manually, is it possible load runner?
Not possible because
Yes, but if it is limit load, it's possible. Example, I am a customer, I am a developer, I developed one application like look like a Facebook application. You're asking developer, please check with one user. One user login, then what is the performance? Then manually arrange one system, arrange one user login, then we can check what is the performance of the application, right?
Right.
Next time we are asking, check with 10 users. Manually arrange 10 systems, 10 users, log in every time. Again, we can check the performance. Next time we are asking, check with 100 users. Okay, arrange 100 systems manually, 100 persons and check the performance. Next time we are asking, now this time check with 1 lakh users. But manual, is it possible?
Not possible.
Then we have to create stadium, arrange 1 lakh systems, one gunshot is not possible, right?
Right.
Yeah, so here we have to use load runner.
Okay.
I think you have one doubt. You are asking check with 1 lakh users, but one tool available. How is it possible with 1 tool, 1 lakh users performance? It's possible. How? Because like, did you see Rajnikant Robo movie?
Yes.
What is the climax? One city create multiple cities, right?
Right.
Yeah, one robo create multiple robots. Same like that. One tool create multiple users. The multiple users is called virtual users.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
So tool create multiple users and give the performance and application. Then we can check what is the performance of the application, what is the load of the application.
Okay. To learn automatically and like spread the load.
Yes, yes. And to learn load runner, first we should learn C++ basics.
Okay.
And let us know Selenium QTP. QTP Selenium with QTP Selenium performance is not possible, but correctness is possible. Means whenever enter the valid inputs, it's accepting or not, application correctly working or not, we can check with Selenium and QTP.
Okay.
Now Selenium. Selenium is a developer by ThoughtWorks. And it is a open source. Open source means?
Open source means like anyone can enter or like.
Yes, free to you can download from internet. But QTP not like that. It is a HP product developed by HP, somewhere $10,000.
Okay.
Means Indian currency something 8 lakh, 7 lakh, something else. Now, which one is the best? Like QTP or Selenium?
Definitely like. No, QTP is better than Selenium because Selenium open source, so it's not like that much of secure for good companies.
Exactly. See, example, you are using Selenium. Suddenly, after 50% of testing, if Selenium is not working, again we need to uninstall, again we need to download. Why? Because there is no guarantee and warranty product, right?
Exactly.
But UFT not like that. They are giving some supportancy. We can get supportancy from HP.
Right, and these are also secured. So like a good company first prefer to save their data.
Yes. And see example, you want to purchase a mobile, you have some expectations, you're going to a mobile shop, the same features, Samsung mobile, 10,000 rupees, same features, China mobile, 1,000 rupees. But quality purpose, which one is the best?
Any day like Samsung.
Yeah, same like that. Costly QTP, but mostly IT people preferring QTP.
Okay.
Understand? And if you want to learn Selenium, first we should learn core Java.
Okay.
If you don't know core Java, then to understand core Java, we have to learn C++. If you don't know C++, to understand this one, you have to learn C. This type of programming to learn Selenium. Then we can become a programmer, why test engineer, right? And like without this programming, the Selenium tool, it looks like a Malayalam movie. We are not able to understand. Okay. And QTP not like that. To learn QTP, no need any type of programming, just VB script is required. VB script. VB script means it's not like programming. VB script is a scripting language. Like remember our 10th class time we discussed VA square plus V square. Is it programming or formula?
This formula.
Same like in VB script, functions available, 30 or 40.
Okay.
It's enough to use the QTP. So that is the reason non-IT people also easily they can learn QTP. You know one thing, to work as a software engineer without programming we can't do anything, but only one way, software testing, that to QTP. No need to learn any type of programming.
That means my kind of candidate only go for the QTP because like I don't have any idea or knowledge about Java, C++ or like Visual Basic.
Yes. And but VB scripting, no, you don't need to learn VB script. I will explain which is required for QTP. So 1 week I will take the extra classes for VB script. I will explain that one also.
Okay.
Easily can understand VB script. It's not like programming. To learn VB script, no need any type of knowledge also. See, like in our course, we can discuss first the manual testing. Manual testing. After completion of manual testing, we can discuss QC. QC means quality center. It is also one management tool. Nowadays, it is also very important. So I will explain this one. After that, I will start the VB script classes. So once VB script is completed, then we can discuss about QTP.
Okay, QTP and as well manual testing for both we need VB script, right?
No. Manual testing no need VB script. Only manual testing what? Only to learn QTP, VB script is required.
Oh, okay.
And the QTP latest version, UFT also there. So both I will explain.
What is the full form like a QTP and UFT?
Quick Test Professional and Unified Functional Tool.
Okay.
Quick Test Professional and Unified Functional Testing. And in QTP, mostly we can concentrating on database testing and descriptive programming. With these concepts, you can keep 2+, 3+, 4+ experience on only QTP. Descriptive programming. So it's very important concepts. So after that, so I will explain the basics about Selenium and load runner also for entry purpose. Then in resumes, like you can keep the basics knowledge about the Selenium and load runner also.
Okay, but without like knowledge of C++ or like a Java, we can learn load runner.
Basics is no need. Basics no need.
Okay. For advanced part, we need like this knowledge.
Yes. Understand?
Understand.
Any notes today class?
I'm sorry?
Any notes today class?
Yeah, like see, I have to think about this because my first preference will be like a load runner, but I do not have any idea that it will require C++ and VB. So because so I have to think about this, and definitely like.
What I'm saying, first learn QTP. After that, you can go for load runner. See? Hello?
Yeah. Yes.
So see, if you know the one car, like example, if you know how to drive the Skoda car, then automatically easily can drive BMW and something Benz. Is it correct or not?
Correct.
Same like that, if you learn QTP, so after that easily can learn load runner also.
Okay. That sounds good.
Okay? So
Okay.
you don't need any notes. The soft copies and soft pages, everything I will forward to your mails. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Any notes?
Okay.